Hey guys, this is Prithvipal Singh. Welcome to the Java Gladiator. In this video, we will see redeclaration and reassignment. In previous video we have seen how to declare a variable. If you want to see that video, I have mentioned that in description. There are two ways to declare variable by where keyword and colon equal to. Colon equal to is called short assignment. We all know in any language if we declare a variable you cannot redeclare that variable in the same scope, but we can do that in Golang, but there are certain rules. There are three rules. First rule is there is at least one other variable in redeclaration. Second rule is redeclaration value should be assignable to the variable and redeclaration in inner block. Let's see one by one. So first one is there is at least one other variable in the declaration. So what it is, well, let's see. So I have two functions here, m1 and m2. I'll uncomment these two functions and work on it. So let me just call this m1 function and assign return value to a and b. I don't need these two variable declaration. I'll just comment it out and I just print this a and b by copying this statement from here and to here. Now just print it here. You can see a and b is printed. Now the first statement is saying there is at least one other variable in redeclaration. So if I call this function m1 again and assign it to a and b, it will give me the compilation error. Reason is there is no new variable in the multi assignments. This is compilation error. No new variable on left side of colon equal to. If you run from the command line, you will get same error. No new variable on left side of colon equal to. So it says meaning of this: a and b are already declared. Here I'm again redeclaring it. It says that at least one variable should be new in this redeclaration. So this multi assignment here, I am so I have a and b already declared in this group. Multi assignment I am redeclaring again. It says that there is at least one new variable. So I will just change b to c. Now it's fine and just print it a and c. Here you can see that the compilation error is gone. If I run this program, it will work fine. So a value of a and b is printed. If you want to see the which value is printed, just say first enable call, and I will again here say second m1 call. Let's run this again and see the output. So here's the output. You understood, right? So here a and b is declared. Here a and c is new variable in group assignments. That is the reason it worked. If I again assign it p, it give me error. The error is sorry error is so no new variable on left hand side. So to resolve this error, we should have at least one new variable on left side. So now it works fine. I just print it over here and we are good. So we got the output. Now second rule is redeclaration value should be assignable to variable. So we know that Go language is statically typed language and it is inferred language. So we haven't mentioned type of a and b, but it inferred from m1 that m1 return integer type. So it is inferred that type of a and b is integer, and it is statically typed. So when you declare a variable with type, you cannot change type of that variable. So if I call here m2 with float, 32, it will give me compilation error saying cannot assign float 32 to type integer. So type of a was already declared, type was integer, you cannot change it to float 32. So it is compilation error. If I change it again to integer, it will work fine. So it worked fine because a we are not changing, though we are changing type of c doesn't matter because it is not already declared. We are not changing type of a because a was integer, now again we are getting a, so it is fine, it is working fine. Third rule is redeclaration in inner block. If you declare a variable, redeclare a variable inner block, it is allowed and it will create a new variable inner block. So let's just declare a variable. Let's say is colon equal to 18. I have if block a greater than equal to is sorry 18, and block I will redeclare this variable with a is colon equal to 20 and print this value fmt dot println ln is, now we say new is comma. Now when you run this program, you see the output. Now a is value of a's variable is changed, and it is not giving me error because even though it is redeclared. So colon equal to always declare need declare new value, new variable, and assign the value. Now what will happen to old age? So this variable age, which is outside of in the block. So let's just print it out and see the output. Say old age and print the age. So you can see it is not affected. It is the outside of inner block is still referring to old value, whereas inner block is referring to the new variable. Yeah, that's it from uh, redeclaration and reassignment. Thank you.